Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the 5 Under 5 challenge. We'll talk more about that a little later, so let's get started with DIY number 1. The items you'll need are this ornament set from Target's Dollar Spot. It costs $3. These cute wreath and Santa clips are from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some paint, puffy paint, glitter, and a glue gun. I have some tumbling tower blocks in my stash. I'll cut one of them with some miter shears, and then I'll line the back of the chimney with these. They'll also double as a stand. Next, I'll adhere these all together with some hot glue. I also cut a piece of a square dowel for the top. Now it's time to paint. Next I'll go in with some puffy paint for a snowy effect. Carefully remove Santa's legs from the clip. Now you can adhere Santa's legs to the back of the chimney. I'll add the other piece and I'll be back with the reveal. Here's the chimney all completed with Santa's legs sticking out. I think this turned out so cute and adorable and is perfect for your tier tray. Today I'm taking part in the 5 Under 5 challenge, and the theme is Christmas or winter tier tray decor. And the wonderful talented hosts are Missy from Crafty Cove DIY, Emily from Farm Charm Chic, and the guest host is Sharon from Grace's Neighbor Sharon. I'll be sure to leave all their channel links as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box. So with all that being said, on to DIY number 2. For the next DIY, these are the items needed from the Dollar Tree: this little house picture frame, wreath clip, ornament filler, and the word cutout from Target's ornament set. You'll also need paint, glitter, and a glue gun. The first thing to do is remove the glass and paint this. The next thing to do is to make 2 windows. I saved this out of a Dollar Tree sticker pack. I cut the first window out, and I'll adhere it with some tacky glue. Here I'm putting on some Mod Podge, and then I'm going to put on some glitter. I'll add some lines to this word using my paint marker. Now you can add the desired amount of filler and adhere some cardstock to the back to seal this up. Here's what we're getting so far. I'll add the embellishments and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is all completed. How cute is this little house? I think it looks so festive and adorable. I really love how this turned out. For the next easy DIY, you'll need these items. The craft kit and DIY stickers are from Dollar Tree. The cute gingerbread buttons are from Hobby Lobby, which I got at 50% off. You'll also need some paint colors of your choice, puffy paint, glitter, and a glue gun. The first thing I'll do is paint these. Before the paint dries, you can add the glitter. I adhered some scrapbook paper to the back of the house, and since these have loops in the back, I used some wire cutters to cut them off. I'll adhere these onto the house, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here's a little gingerbread house. I added a candy cane and some more glitter, and I think this little scene turned out so cute and adorable. For the next DIY, items you'll need from the Dollar Tree are this wood piece from a 3D craft kit, Christmas trees, and the picture from the back of a calendar. You'll also need some paint, craft sticks, and a glue gun. Here I'm cutting craft sticks with miter shears to form a little picture frame. I used some hot glue to adhere these together. Now I'm ready to paint these. Next, I'll dry brush these using some white chalk paint. Adhere the frame on, and then you can trim off the excess. I'll attach a piece of cardboard to the back for added stability. Here's how it looks so far. I'll put everything together and I'll be back with a reveal. Here it is all completed. I really love the rustic look of this DIY, and I think this turned out so adorable. For the last DIY, here are the items you'll need from the Dollar Tree: a styrofoam cone, push pins, choice of yarn, and embellishments for the top of the tree. You'll also need a glue gun. The first thing to do is hot glue the yarn with the starting point at the bottom. Next, arrange the push pins around the tree. I painted these with white acrylic paint, and then I brushed on some Elmer's clear glue for added shine. This is a great Elmer's glue hack. I made 2 trees. I'll adhere these to the top of them, and then I'll be back with a reveal. Here they both are with different textures. I think they came out adorable. Let me know in the comments which tree you like the most, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment to let me know which DIY is your favorite. I had a lot of fun creating these budget-friendly DIYs. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!